Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello.
And it's time for our weekly walk around Islands of Adventure. Not sure what types of updates I'm going to find today, but I am going to try some new food.
Ooh, new food? Yay.
The slow reconstruction of the Hemisphere Dancer continues. We have added one engine and one propeller. The rest is still to come. That's progressing as fast as maybe something that's on a government contract. Also, when we get inside, there's been a ride closure extension. Something closed a little longer than we first anticipated. Please remember that if you are a pass holder for Islands of Adventure, your pass holder entry to the far left here, I want the stats on this to be incredible. So incredible that Universal keeps it forever. I would hate for Universal to remove it because of lack of use. The 2-park Unlimited Express Pass is going for $314 today. Since I'm already hungry, we're gonna go this way. We'll get to the food quicker. Show you that new sandwich I'm interested in trying. Universal has extended the ride closure time frame of Doctor Doom Fearfall. It's now going to be closed through June 27th. Monday morning, and Spider-Man is a 40-minute wait. Well, as we were walking through Marvel Superhero Island, some Halloween Horror Nights news dropped.
Yes.
Hatchet and Chains?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, Hatchets and Chains, Demon Bounty Hunters.
There we go.
Alright, so here's like the little synopsis. It's very little. In this old west town, all hell is breaking loose. Red hot lava demons are trying to possess everyone, melting everything in their path.
I like it. I like the sound of this one.
I would watch it if it was a movie. So no, this is exciting. There is a little bit of talk that it might have been a poster in one of the Slaughter cinemas, either 1 or 2. I don't know if that's true or not, but you know, that's what I'm kind of hearing.
That's so, the scuttlebutt on the internet, the chatter on the internet.
Yeah.
And I don't remember, I can't remember every movie poster that was in Slaughter cinemas.
No, but it's awesome though.
But it's a clever idea to do that.
It is.
Yeah, if it's true.
Well, and you know, Universal Creative is very clever.
Yeah.
And very creative, so no, I love it.
I like the sound of the house. Yeah. An original house. Right at the top, it might be candidate for House of the Year.
Why?
I like the name of it.
I know,
like the
it kind of gets ya.
It's an original house, which often are the best houses, so.
I know, and I like, you know, the old west kind of vibe, so, you know, it's gonna be good.
That one has me more excited than the other announcement of, what is it, El Artista?
Okay.
Yeah, so that one's a little more exciting to me. And then, of course, I'm gonna love the Jason house, so.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Yeah, it's going good so far. Let's keep it going.
A new prize at Top Glow to show you. It's this Hello Kitty prize. The comic strip cafe just opened. Let's go get our food. So I am reconsidering my plans. The restaurant just opened. This is the line, and it might not look like a super long line, but for this restaurant, it is. They are so slow at service at comic strip. I bet you it would take at least 30 minutes to get my food by standing right there. So give me a second. I need to reconsider things.
Why is it so slow?
I don't know why they're so slow here. They just are. It's the slowest food in all of theme park history. Not to be overly dramatic, but it is slow. That's why the food I was going to have here, that chicken sandwich, I said it was new food. It's not super new, but this is the problem I have. That's why I haven't shown that chicken sandwich yet, is this is incredibly slow. Now maybe we'll walk through, I'll do some more updates and we'll double back.
Okay.
Or maybe we'll hit up Confisco. They might have some new food, I think.
Okay.
But let's just keep walking around and we'll see what we do.
Yeah, I think because we hit it right as you open, it opened, and then there was a big line, and it doesn't look like that big of a line, but I see what you're saying. If they're already slow at making the food, and you're already 10 like orders deep, I can see why. I know this place. I know it. Yeah. And I know it's slow. And the comic strip cafe does not have mobile order.
Part of our summer of 2025 routine, checking on the waterfall at Popeyes and Blue Nose Barges. The summer of 2025 is turning into the saddest summer ever at Popeyes and Blue Nose Barges. That waterfall still not working. Oh well, at least Ripsaw Falls give you a good splash. Roar, roar, roar. Scream, splash, laugh. Jurassic Outfitters has a brand new display. And it's pretty cool. Look at this. The display is like the raft that you ride. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, we've got a rafter up there. Oh, this is awesome. Well done. I like this display. Very clever. It's raft number JP12. Universal made a big splash with that display.
Ooh, I like what you did there.
I don't know what it is, but this outside section of Burger Digs just looks a lot better to me for some reason.
The wait time for Velocicoaster is 50 minutes.
What is going on here at the bypass bridge? Fencing. Looks like the decking's getting resurfaced. Like it. Kind of has that honey badger color. I'm pretty good with the quips today.
You are. You're on fire today, but I don't know if everybody's gonna get it. Like, you kind of have to, I don't know, maybe watch the live streams to get some of these like insider clips and jokes.
The live streams tend to create some inside jokes.
They go off the rails quite often.
Welcome to Hogsmeade. Trademark. Inside of Filch's Emporium. Hogsmeade recently had its 15th anniversary. There's a special commemorative plaque that you can purchase, $100, to remember the 15-year anniversary of Hogsmeade. Over here by the snowman, the construction walls have been removed. They had been here for several weeks, but clear path now. Here at the Magic Neep, this little food stand here in Hogsmeade, for the first time ever, they are selling popcorn. Popcorn in the Wizarding World. They have a popcorn bucket here, and just like the regular box that you would get it in, also pretty cool looking. It is $5 for the regular box of popcorn. Please note the popcorn is not popped fresh. It comes in bags. This side has a lot of people in line for butterbeer. This side, no one's in line. A 115-minute wait for Hagrid's right now. There's a pretty nice Halloween t-shirt I want to show you inside of the All Hallows Eve boutique. And this one here is new. Haven't seen it before. $37. I think it's a cool looking t-shirt. As you're facing the All Hallows Eve boutique and the delicious kebabs, you want to hang a right. There's a cool zone up this way. It's in the old Sinbad Stunt Show Theater. Let's go take a look, shall we? I haven't walked, or we haven't walked, this far down this pathway in a long time.
Oh yeah.
Sitting in shade on the left, and a water refill on the right. And there's the old Sinbad stage. It looks untouched all these years. Not even removed or demolished in any way. I am really hungry now, so we're just going to skip through Seuss Landing and head back over to the Comic Strip Cafe. You can get your very own version of this sign at NikkiWorkshop.com. Is Green Eggs and Ham ever going to get their signage back? I guess the whole building is the signage. And we are back at the Comic Strip Cafe. I don't know if our wait is going to be any shorter now, but at least I can have a relaxing lunch knowing I've completed my updates. Nope, the line is exactly the same length. It shouldn't take that long. I see like the chicken sandwich I want just sitting up under heat lamps. I have the grilled Tuscan chicken sandwich. The platter is $15.49. It's ciabatta bread, provolone, mozzarella, arugula, tomato, sun-dried tomato aioli, served with French fries. And Nikki got the comically altered big burger. She got it plain with pickles, and she's gonna put ketchup and mustard on it. But normally it would come with a secret sauce, Swiss, lettuce, tomato, pickles, crispy onion ring, pulled pork on it, smoked Gouda sauce, but she got it pretty basic. Price of the burger is $17.99 no matter how it comes. And that's why we do food reviews. Had we known the Tuscan sandwich, the chicken sandwich, was so large, so big,
we would have split it.
Yeah. We would have saved $17.99 by not getting the burger.
Right, and you actually, I got a burger, because I'm like, oh, I just thought it was a plain old chicken sandwich. I'm like, meh, not knowing that it was like this whole elaborate thing.
Tuscan chicken sandwich with ciabatta bun and everything.
Yes, and then like the cheese and the tomato, mwah. You won lunch. Oh my gosh, she's like, I can't even eat all of it. Here, you take the other half or whatever, take a bite, you want to try it? I was like, oh, I should have ordered that. Oh, well, so good.
You liked it more than I did. To me, it's just, I come with a bias when it comes to chicken sandwiches. I love that Finnegan's one so much.
Oh.
With the apple, with bacon and the cheese. I just, nothing compares to me. So that did have a nice Italian flair with that sandwich.
You gotta branch out more. I loved it. I mean, it was like almost like a caprese but with chicken, right? So it had the cheese and the tomato and the the bread and oh, it was so good. I mean, my stomach's blowing up right now, but from gluten. But that's how it always is when I'm burrowing here. But it's great. I loved it. I thought it was really good for like a chicken sandwich at like a a fast quick service.
I did like the bun,
really good.
The ciabatta bun. But I ended up eating like half of your burger, which was very plain, ketchup and mustard.
That's all I can eat on my burger is just ketchup, mustard,
because normally that burger is very fancy.
Yes.
Like onion rings on it and pulled pork.
No.
That's why it's $17.99.
Well, somebody was taking a bite of the burger and it was like this big. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
But no, I'm a plain kind of girl. Except for like, I did like that fancy chicken sandwich. Oh my gosh. We totally like should have just switched plates or shared it.
But you guys now know. You can share the Tuscan chicken sandwich if you want a fancy Italian flair chicken sandwich.
Yes.
It's for you. Over here by the Hulk, that hat, those sunglasses now belong to the ducks. Well, I guess that will do it for today. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun. What else?
Oh, see you next time.
Chihuahua.
It's gonna be a good day, Rick and Nikki show.